Omukyala akuŋŋaanya kasasiro yalabye bbomu eno ng'agisanze eteekeddwa mu kidomola bw'abadde ayoola kasasiro. Bwe yeekengedde kwe kugitwalira badereeva abamu bongere okugyekenneenya.
And the thing even outside written a time bomb. Even the main thing also it is written a time bomb. Then immediately when we saw that thing, we told that you return the thing back, and we rushed to the police station. Only that we did not find any policeman there. That why we rushed even to LC1, then LC1 come.
Let's listen. Let's go very fast.
Poliisi emaze n'etuuka ku paaka n'eragira abantu bonna baamuke ekitundu n'emmotoka zonna ziggyibwe mu paaka.
Deployed our personnel to manage the place. However, it had been removed from its original position and taken nearer to the post. We equally got in touch with the expert from the Post Division Department of Engineering, who responded also very fast.
Oluvanyuma poliisi ekwataganye n'Amagye okutegulula bbomu eno.
We have picked the samples, the remains of this, to take it to the expert, to put in the machine. There are those who are more than us in determining this kind of explosive. So certainly when they are done with their part, because we got it when, you could not go into detail, but parts of this bomb can still be taken, and information, a better information about it can be given to the public.
Ab'ebyokwerinda bagamba tebannaba kutegeera abali mabega wa kikolwa kino era nga batandise okunoonyereza kwabwe mbagirawo.
People should continue being more vigilant than the one of today. First of all, not by any strange object, but also by somebody beside you